In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up EE SIM card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and activate any EE SIM card model that you have. This is going to work for iOS and Android devices. All that you have to do is activate it through the official EE website. So go over to ee.co.uk and you will have to arrive at this page where you can activate your SIM or eSIM. In order to reach this page, you can simply look for it on Google or alternatively look for this article, Activate and Set Up a New SIM. They are going to give you instructions on how to activate a SIM if you just upgraded your device or if you acquired a replacement SIM for that same device. So look for this page on the help website or go over directly to this link. You can also find either of these pages on Google. So once you arrive on this page here, activate your SIM/eSIM, you will be able to get it done. So they offer 3 activation options. They teach you how to activate an eSIM for digital download or eSIM replacement pack. And finally, you have the standard physical SIM card, which is the option that I'm going to select as an example. Keep in mind that if you got your SIM card as a replacement for a lost, stolen, or damaged SIM, then it should already be activated. As soon as you pop it into the SIM tray and turn on your device, it will be usable. If it is not ready to go, then call them on this number 150 using an EE phone or this alternative number on any other device. So choose your preferred SIM card here, and once you select it, you will be able to input information. So depending on the option that you pick, they are going to ask you to input your mobile number. Once you input the phone number, they will text you a one-time PIN to activate the SIM or eSIM. So all that you have to do is input your mobile number here, send the PIN, and once you have the PIN good to go, input it here again on the next text field. Now sadly, I cannot show you this full process online. I don't have an EE SIM card to activate, so I won't be able to put it in full. But as long as you follow the on-screen instructions, you will be able to get this done and activate your new EE SIM card. I hope I was able to help you on how to set up EE SIM card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.